Hi, this is Christina Hills from the Website Creation Workshop, and in this video I want to show you how to get a Gravatar account for free so that you can have a photo online, and this photo will follow you anywhere on the internet. And so, for example, if you have a author box, it will automatically show up without you having to add any other plugins. And it will show up in lots of other places. So it's just very convenient to have a avatar, which they call Gravatar, online so that when you post in various places, your photo shows up. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on Get Started Now either in the upper right, or I can click on Get Started Now here. And I'm going to put in my email address. So I'm setting one up for my assistant. And it says that it has sent a verification code, so I have to go get that verification code from my email. So here it is. So you're just going to copy the verification code because it wants to make sure you own the email address. And I'll paste that in and I'll click on Continue. And it's basically confirming. And this is something from the WordPress Foundation, so it's an official WordPress system to use. So they call it a Gravatar profile, and it syncs across the web. So I'm going to agree to the terms of service. You can click to read it if you want. So I'm going to click on the button that says Continue. And now it's asking me to fill some stuff in. So I will put Becca Brown. I'll click Continue. So I'm on step 2 of 5. I'm going to upload an image. And it looks like I have to click to select. So I will find this on my desktop. So I paused while I clicked to find this on my desktop. So I'm going to select, this is the image, and I don't need to adjust it. If you want to, you can. So I'll click on Done. Right, and you could retake it if you don't like it, but that's the photo. Let's click Continue. And I'll just put San Diego customer support. This doesn't really matter that much, but you just fill something in. You can always adjust it later. Okay, so just fill in what you can. Again, you can come back later. I'm going to click the button that says Continue. Now it's wanting to know if I want to add social profiles. I'm going to click on Do This Later. And I'm going to stick with the classic colors. You can also put a header image in if you want a header image back here. I'm just going to leave that for now because I want to get this done quickly. And here it's trying to sell me on buying a domain name through gravatar.com. So I don't want that. I'm just going to X out. And you can click Share. And now you have a specific link for your Gravatar. So this is for my assistant that I just created. I'll show you the one that I have for myself that I've set up, and I've added a whole bunch of links and stuff like that. But you don't need to do that. You just can keep it simple for now. So that's it. That is how you set up a Gravatar. You do it once and then your image follows you everywhere. And you can also come into avatars. You can add other photos, and you can also add other email addresses. So once you're logged in, if you click on avatars, you can add second, third, and fourth email addresses. So you can have multiple email addresses associated with your name and with your photo, and you can actually have different photos for different email addresses, but I don't want to get too complicated right now. Okay, so I wanted to show you Gravatar in action. I changed the author to my assistant, and now her little cartoon character image shows up. You know, most of the time you're putting an actual photo of yourself, but here you can see that it now shows up. So don't have to upload this into my site because of Gravatar. Anytime I use that email address, the photo will show up. And I'll just click over here to show you an article, and then here my photo is showing up. So that is the benefit of having a Gravatar account. So that's it. That is how you set up a Gravatar account. You do it once and it's free and you can forget about it, and then your photo will follow you everywhere. This is Christina Hills with a website creation workshop.